Should we do it like the old training videos?
How's that? Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to Sparky Built. What's up, guys? Today on Sparky Built, we were trying to build our own duct plenum. So we went up there, we took some measurements on our template. I know that I have an opening of 12 by 19 and a half, and I need a 1-inch flange all the way around that. So all I did was we laid out our 1-inch, 12, 19 and a quarter, not 19 and a half, and then the 1-inch. This is for our overlap. We're gonna take it over to our sheet metal break now. We're gonna get this bent up, get the other side, and that'll do 1L. We're gonna get the other side of the L bent up, and we're gonna put them together with these fancy little things, whatever they're called.
S-brackets.
S-brackets. We're gonna put them together with that, and then we'll cut the corners and bend the 1-inch flange all the way around it. So we'll have roughly 12 by 19 and a quarter by about 23-ish plenum. So hang tight, and we'll see how this works as Sparky Built tries to be an HVAC installer today.
Bend it down as you go, you know what I mean? I made us a straight edge, the straight line, so we could line it up in our break a little easier. And then put them gloves on. This shit's sharp.
Hey Anthony, can you take this for me like that?
Yes.
See, a real HVAC installer would have just done this and used those for his collars. They don't need that bullshit. Could have cut me some tabs. Boom. I think what we'll do is we'll just run the sheet in from the back side.
Yep.
Be cool if we had a table that lined up with this thing.
Yes.
Good. All right. Okay. Okay. Finally found something it's good at.
Yes. But we're not done yet.
Right there. All right.
Yeah.
So that's one half of it, or one part of the L.
Yeah.
Bam. I'm gonna lay out the other one. I'll be right back. Almost got me.
Don't let it get you.
Gotta be quicker than that. So we're gonna give it our 1-inch, and then we're gonna do our 12-inch side. From there, we're gonna go to our 19 and a quarter, and then another inch. Man, so we are now electricians, sheetrockers, HVAC installers, metal fab, woodworking.
Just all of it.
And not only do we do all those things, we're the best there is at each one.
That's right.
Tell me what you do in the comments. I bet I can do it better than you.
Oh, goodness.
Man, you're so strong.
So pretty.
That's better.
So pretty. So, now, let's try this again.
Yes.
need to cut out for the flange.
Okay.
So I think all we need to do is cut, what, down an inch?
Right.
Down an inch. Same thing.
And we're gonna do an outside flange.
Yeah, this is with an outside flange.
So this will go up against the unit.
Yeah, this will go all the way up against the unit.
Okay.
Right?
Yep. See, make it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good for him.
Huh?
Good for him. Now, we have both of our pieces bent and the flanges bent out on the bottom. So now we have to take these and these will slide onto the corner pieces. But we're gonna leave about an inch from the top because we gotta make the end plate. And then that gets this same thing all the way around to hold the end plate in. And then it all gets sealed up. But before we do that, we have to take this little roller.
A window screen, you put window screens in with this.
Okay.
And I saw on another channel that they were using this to roll the beads into the sheet metal, so that's where we're gonna give it a try.
Okay, do we just roll an X into it, or what do we, okay.
Yeah, just a
Does it need to sit on some kind of a soft backing?
soft cushion.
Like this?
Need a,
Like a straight edge?
Yeah.
Or a line?
or something, yeah.
Okay.
Dun-dun, dun-dun.
So everybody uses that same tone.
So this we should have done. Can you see me? We should have done this when it was actually flat plate. And so we're gonna see if we can't get it done now.
Or is I had it down there so that would hang off.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Nope.
Do it again.
All right. Are you good? I'm good. Is it working? Looks like it.
Nobody taught this guy how to color in the lines.
Negative. Look at that.
Fucking PR professional.
Man. Who knew?
Let me start marking the other one.
All right.
The other one might be a little easier. No, let's get that flange on it. Can't believe that worked.
I can't either.
Starting to look like PR professionals around here and shit.
Oh yeah.
Do what? That's fucking cool. Wish I was that cool.
I know.
I've already got our 2 pieces of, what'd you call this stuff?
S channel.
S channel. Red eye to go. Ready to go.
Yeah, I saw that. You know, he's showing it. He's like, yeah, I got this, and I'm like, I got one of those because I had replaced all my
Screens.
at my.
What are the odds you had it in the truck though? You know what I mean?
Seeing how I was gonna just get rid of it a while back, I was like, I'll never use this again.
We'll use it here. And where can you get that channel from? Because we got the window screen.
Lowe's, Home Depot.
We just need to make some screens for out there, you know what? Because we've got the screen. Got plenty of screen. Just need to get some new channel. And whatever else that consists of. Easy, killer. That's alright.
Got a little rambunctious there.
Yeah, you did. Man. I always knew HVAC had an easy job, but
It's pretty damn easy, isn't it?
so this piece should go like that.
Oh, just slide it in the.
Yeah, in.
Yeah, I just started on a corner and work it in. Most gloves.
Probably,
Right edge on first. So then I could have just pushed in that little lip. Not a bad idea. I think that's what I'm gonna do.
Right.
Okay.
Come here.
So I think now should be able to cut a piece out with that 12 by 19 and a quarter plus the flange. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Bend the flange outwards on either side, on all 4 sides.
Right.
And then that'll sit down in there. If I had a job like this, the foreman would be cussing at me right now. You're still working on that one fucking duct?
30-minute video for a 2-minute duct?
Yeah.
All right. So the brake is about as good as doing it by hand. Let's go over to the brake and see. You just need a piece of plywood for that. Y'all are overcomplicating it. Supposed to do the short edge first.
Okay. So it's gonna be worthless after these bends. We'll see.
Yep. That ain't gonna work. Well, I guess that'll give you your crease.
Right. Yeah, oh!
Pointless. Doing it wrong?
I don't know. Probably. At least we have a crease on this one though.
Yeah. I mean, TIG weld that for you?
Yes.
I'll TIG weld the corners for
Custom
you.
drip pan.
And we'll leak check it.
You probably shouldn't do that.
You're probably right. It'll be like the it'll be like the Crossfire Pro.
Yes. Leak check it.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Either way.
Coolest thing I've done lately.
Sure, it's square.
Yeah.
Really good view.
Is it perfect? No. Is it not bad for our first one? Not at all. On the next episode. Not too shabby, my friend.
No. No.
Okay. Seems like a lot of setup.
Sorry, we'll test our hand, right?
That's it. It's funny because once it pops through, it's just like. Okay, so.
We practice for it. Is that what that's for? Yeah. Let me ask you, is that a perfect circle? Did you cut a perfect circle?
Oh, well, see, it's better than your plasma skills.
Oh, okay.
Outside the line.
Trying to be perfect. Trying to get that perfection kick in. There we go.
And then I assume you just fold these tabs.
Yeah.
Except for I think they're meant to have insulation there because there's about a 1/2 inch gap. But we can fold them out and then just maybe pop a couple screws or tape it down or something. I don't know. All right?
Yep. That one tab.
You want to go? Give it a go?
No, go ahead.
He said no, not at all. Come on. So who knew that the left-handed shears, the left shears, were for making left-handed cuts like this? Did you know? No. that side. Let me spin my box. Yuck. That's not how you do this.
I guess it dries.
Yeah. Yep, sure does. I think it dries pretty quick, actually.
You recording?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, 8 hours, huh?
Well, at least 48 hours for pressure testing, temperature, and humidity conditions. Watch out, you're about to spill.
I know it's like a Dairy Queen blizzard,
I'm
but
just gonna match the floor.
oh no, don't do that. Oh no, honey.
Heating on with this stuff?
I wouldn't spray the heating element. That dust will burn off on that.
Okay.
Oh, I don't like doing this.
Oh.
I don't like the paint.
You talking about the building part?
Yeah, I like building. I don't like to paint. I don't like to paint anything. I don't have the patience for it. And my
Hands.
no, I start getting too perfectionist with it. I mean, at the end of the day, it's putty. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be a piece of art, although I like it to be. I think that's it, buddy. Then we can mount the box
Okay.
and putty that, or tape that, or whatever. Just have to see how much of a gap or not gap that we have.
Right. 2 hours. It took us 2 hours and 15 minutes to complete this.
That's no lie. If we were Duct guys, we would have got fired by now. But we didn't have to pay somebody to come do this in our shop. So we did a 12 by 20, roughly, Plenum box, about 23, 24 inches deep, two 6-inch duct outlets, and a 4-inch duct outlet. You guys saw with us as we laid it out. We bent it, cut it all up, and cut these in. Now we've got to paste it in with some water-based duct sealant, and we're gonna let that dry for the next however long that takes. And then once it's dry, we'll mount it up there and see how it goes. Hopefully it fits good on the first try. Thanks for hanging out with us today and for checking out another episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys have any comments, leave them down below. I'm sure you have a bunch. So thanks for hanging out though.